The ship was built in 1965 and is a life-sized replica of the historic three-masted sailing vessel that explorer Jacques Cartier used in the 16th century. It was later converted into a restaurant and was featured at the Montreal Expo in 1967. This ship is 141 feet long and is a prominent landmark in the area. In 2003, the ship was destroyed by a suspicious fire. Despite the damage, the abandoned ship still holds great appeal for tourists from around the world. A technical assessment was conducted by the Vessel of Concern program of the Canadian Coast Guard Central Region, revealing clear environmental and public safety hazards. The VOC assessment describes the ship as stranded, dilapidated, and burnt.